Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and money management tips to make your life easier. Today's video is all about how to change currency in Mint. If you're using the Mint app for budgeting and tracking expenses, especially if you're dealing with international travel or multiple currencies, this is a must-know feature. Mint, from Intuit, is fantastic for personal finance, but switching currencies isn't always intuitive. Don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mint account. Open the app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Once you're in, look for the settings icon. It's usually a gear or 3 dots in the top right corner. Click on that to open your account settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Preferences or Regional Settings section. This is where the magic happens. In the regional settings, you'll see an option for currency. It might be labeled as default currency or something similar. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear with a list of available currencies from around the world. Select the one you need. For example, if you're switching from USD to EUR, just pick euros. After you've made your selection, hit Save or Apply Changes. Mint will update your account settings, and your transactions, budgets, and reports should now reflect the new currency. One quick tip. If you have existing transactions in a different currency, they might not automatically convert, so double-check your balances to avoid any confusion. Also, if you're using Mint for business or shared accounts, remember that this change only affects your personal view. There you have it. That's how you change your currency in Mint. It's a simple process that can save you headaches when managing global finances. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.